Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys sound and vibration setting, and today video title is do not disturb mode, how to enable in Oppo phone device and how to use it. Friends, you don't know what is do not disturb and how to enable and how to use in Oppo phone device. Today friends I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we enable do not disturb mode and how can we use it. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting, I will click on the search bar here guys. Do not disturb guys. Do not disturb setting guys. You can see your phone sound and vibration setting. We will tap here. Friends, you can see guys your do not disturb guys. We will tap here. Friends, you can see your do not disturb setting guys. You can use from here. Friends, you can see this do not disturb notification. Our phone will not ring or vibrate except guys for alarm and timer. The status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on means enable. So we will enable from right side. So after enable guys, as guys your phone will not ring or vibrate, and friends you can see your do not disturb schedule time. Friends, you can schedule from here. So like that guys we can enable guys do not disturb, and friends we can use it in our Oppo phone device. So bye guys.